Here's a 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia. The pulse racing performance takes Giulia a step ahead of conventional luxury, while its stylish, high-quality looks create admirers everywhere it goes. It comes with great features you'll love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, streaming audio, leather bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. Alfa Romeo, a history of success, victory, and innovation. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today. Call us today at 813-565-0102.